have a problem with one of the marks. Just a call our marketing here. We just click on the mark now. When I get the mark now, I am able to press the mark. Next. After the new here, I can press backward. After that, and also I can press forward.